Creative budgeting, a story of resourcefulness. Hello, friends! Today I'm going to share a short story that might make you think. There was a mother worried about her household budget. One day, her son came to her and said, "Mom, I need new shoes." The mother replied, "We don't have enough money right now. You'll have to wait." The boy felt sad, but something happened in that house that completely changed their perspective. The father stepped in and said, "We don't need new shoes. Let's make the old ones look like new." The whole family got to work, cleaning, painting, and adding a little creativity. Before they knew it, the old shoes looked brand new. The next day, the boy went to school, and his friend said, "Wow, those shoes look amazing." The boy proudly replied, "These aren't new. They're the result of my mom and dad's creativity." This story teaches us that budgeting isn't just about cutting costs, it's about finding creative solutions. With a little resourcefulness, we can save money and create happiness at the same time. If you enjoyed this story, give it a like and share your own tips in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and remember, small savings lead to great happiness.